the ancient village awakens, nestled in a mist-shrouded valley. Villagers, in traditional attire, begin their day with a silent ritual. Facing the rising sun, the villagers connect spiritually with their land. Intricate tribal carvings adorn the dwellings, reflecting the village's ancient heritage. The village embodies a harmonious blend of architecture and nature. A young villager discovers a hidden cave nestled deep within the mountain. Sunlight illuminates a natural spring flowing into a stone basin. Ancient symbols etched into the cave walls whisper stories of the past. The protagonist cautiously approaches the spring, sensing a powerful presence. An unseen presence emanates from the water and stone. Flickering candlelight illuminates the village elder's hut, where the young villager seeks guidance. The young villager seeks guidance from the village elder, whose face is etched with wisdom and age. The hut is dimly lit by flickering candles, casting long shadows on the walls. The elder listens intently as the protagonist recounts their experience in the sacred cave, offering cryptic advice and sharing stories of the ancestors. The scene highlights the importance of oral tradition and the role of the elder as a spiritual guide, subtly mirroring the role of a confessor.